Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to check the weather forecast on the CMAP application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plane button next to the home section at the bottom of the page, and here you can find the weather forecast option, and just click that. And here you can find the weather for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and other days. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.